back far enough and wiggle a little bit. So normally it'd be in farther, I didn't push it in all the way, so it's wiggling a little bit, but you can already see how it's blasting out all that. You wouldn't be standing here watching it, you'd be overdoing another task. So for shops that are doing a lot of screens, this is a really, really easy way to image a screen and move on. As opposed to traditionally, you're paying somebody whatever minimum wage is in your area. In Chicago proper, it's like $13 an hour. So you're paying someone $13 an hour to do this. Printing out of both sides, recycling the water from down underneath, so less water consumption too. We're not using fresh water the whole time. This last rinse is the only fresh water being used. The rest of it is all recycled water that stays down here. You do want to change that out every week or so. It will start to get like a little bit of a rotten egg smell if you let it sit too long, but that's it. Screen done. Holds all the quality. And then what I do is I then take it to a vacuum wand and I vacuum wand off the water so all the sitting water's gone, and then I go put it somewhere where it can dry. Once it's dry, post-expose. You either post-expose once again by going outside in the light. So what we did for all the screens that we're using today, we literally put them all in a cart, went to those back doors, walked outside, put them all outside, 2 minutes, and then flipped them 2 minutes, came back in, all post-exposed. There's post-exposure units you can buy that are just for post-exposure, a little Gemini right there, or like we talked about, onto your normal exposure unit. The opposite way, this way, with your vacuum at 0, once again, 0. But that way you're really post-exposing the most important side, which is where the ink and the water and the friction all is going to really come into play. Make sense? Cool.